Greetings, class. What I wanted to do is go over a quick tips on how to navigate in the Miller Moodle classroom. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started. I'm going to go ahead and first start from the beginning. So you can use any web browser. Google Chrome is obviously the preferred web browser. So in this case, I'm going to use Microsoft Edge. You're going to go ahead and log in with however you log into the course. Of course, I didn't get it right. Okay. So once you log in, you're in your portal. You go to your course. In this case, we're going to do IT100. And then I always suggest that you start right here, right? Instructor announcements, right? Here is the place where I give all kinds of information. We're going to go ahead and click on that and show you some items that I've posted here. I have posted a welcome message. This welcome message will tell you the textbooks you need, open hours. It's just basically all rolled up into one thing, expectations. So you verify your textbook. You see the office hours that I have and where you can call me. And then I ask that you go through each of these announcements. There's an announcement on discussions and the standards and open and the office hours. There's a course calendar due date in here when things are due, right? So if you have any questions, you just look at the instructor announcements. That covers a lot of things. Now, what I want to key you on is up top and also on the right. So up top here, there's different things that you can click, right? One of the things I tell you to go to a lot is the e-resource writing center. So to get to the e-resource writing center, you click on e-resources, and then you scroll down to where it has the writing center, right? So your assignments are going to be a lot of writing, and here's a template. Here's a cover page, and then there's other wonderful things like citation machine. If you don't know how to do an APA citation, you click on the citationmachine.net. It takes you to a website that actually tells you and makes your citation for you. So the e-resource writing center is a place I have you go to a lot. We're going to go back to the course here, and we're just going to go through some other things as well, right? On the right-hand side is the lessons, right? So you got topic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should start the lesson with the presentation and read some of the things that it tells you to do or talks about, right? In this case, you're tech savvy if you're not, right? So take a look at the presentation, which will get you going into the course, right? It'll tell you, it'll gear you for the lesson. And then you have class discussion 1A. A discussions are due on Wednesdays, right? So you have to do a main post. Class 1B, discussion 1B, all right? And those are due on Fridays, and then you have to reply to students. To do a main post, you click on add a new topic, and you simply type your message, right? The title, and then you type in the message area, and then you click post to forum. And like I said, there's standards on how you do those discussions, and that is in the instructor announcements, right? So if you have questions on how you do discussions, what they're supposed to be like, you go to those instructor announcements and you read that standard on instructions, right? Or on discussions. Now, if you want to know how to reply to a student, we're going to click back here until we get to class discussion 1A. To reply to a student, you click on discuss this topic, right? It shows you the topic and you simply click reply. You won't have this edit button, only I will, or if it's your post, you can edit it, but you can't edit other people's posts. To simply reply, you just click reply and you type the reply to the student, to the post that you're replying to. So each week you have class discussion 1A due Wednesday, 1B due Friday, 3 replies to each of them, so a total of 6 replies, and that's due by Sunday. Then you have your assignment, your course project, and your assessment, right? This is 1 week of work right here on the right. Your assignment, right, it has, basically it asks you a couple questions. I don't want you to just answer the questions. I want you to go to the e-resource writing center and use the template on how assignments are doing, right? So e-resource writing center, all right? E-resource, where are we? E-resource writing center, right? And in there, we could use the template, right? And we could utilize this to create our assignment, right? Just right here, right? It tells us how an assignment should be created, okay? Your course project is similar, right? It's where you'll do some writing, but your course project is each week you're going to pick 3 videos. You don't use the video that's here. These are just examples. So if you click on it and it doesn't work, well, I understand, right? And you should understand that's just an example, right? So you pick 3 videos and you write about the videos, okay? Now what I've done is I've provided an example of what that should look like, right? So we're going to go back to instructor announcements, right? And I've said an example of the complete course project. There's an announcement there. There's the attachment, right? You open the attachment and it'll show you, I got to register that. It'll show you exactly how your course project should look, right? So we got a cover page, an abstract, right? And then we have videos, right? So we write about a video, we link it. We write about a video, we link it. We write about a video, we link it, right? 150 words each. And each week we just select 3 videos and we keep building that up. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording here. This is a guide to getting started. So you know that each week, right, we have 2 discussions, 1 assignment, 1 course project, and 1 assessment. The assessment is just a test, right? You go here, you click on start quiz or start assessment, and you answer the questions. All right, good luck, and thank you.